Pringles, Scorchin hot cheddar chips, man. Let's try these motherfuckers, man. I try not to cuss in these in case they want me to do business with them, so I apologize. Anyway, never been open. These look just like the last ones I had. Y'all remember the last video I did? I think that was the Scorchin hot barbecue. They look just the same. They look exactly the same. They definitely more soft than the barbecue ones. The barbecue ones have more crunch. They got a spice to them, but it's not too spicy. It makes my tongue tingle. Like, I feel like a bunch of little spices is like running around on my tongue. But as y'all can see, I haven't drank anything, and I haven't coughed or nothing. So they're not super hot, at least not to me. It is cool. They look hotter on the container. They don't look shit like that when you actually open them up. They don't really smell like nothing. They don't smell hot. They just smell like regular chips. These cool. The barbecue Scorchin Pringles is way better. I ain't saying I don't recommend these, but I prefer the barbecue ones more. So if you gonna get one of these, get the barbecue one. Them was fire, like literally, figuratively and literally. Like those were really, really good. These is cool. These are something to snack on. I ain't saying don't get them, but if you got an option between getting the cheddar and the barbecue, I prefer the barbecue. But that's just me. If you had these chips before, let me know in the comments what you think.